Alright, so here's a purple house. Looks like it's apartments. I'm sure this is probably short-term rentals as well. I just wanted to bring that to you. If nothing else, just for the colors and of course in the two porches. Alright, and this one's next to the purple one I just shot. And I'm sure again it's a short-term rental as well, being so close to the Gulf and everything. But the color kind of makes it stand out, makes it different. Alright, let's walk on down here past the Waldorf. Alright, this house here, very nice one. And if you see this sign right here on porch, it says Blue Wave Vacation Home, welcome to. And it's even got a website, STGEM Map Properties. And then, so you can see, it's got a nice porch up at the top of it. Nice porch here on the bottom of it. And not a bad looking place, is it? Okay, kind of starting up here at the top to get you these palm trees here. And this big gorgeous place. How nice is that? Yeah, if I do it like that right there, yeah, that's a good setting right there. Right there. Okay, so let's go across. I'm going to show you this whole place here. Looks like it was built in 1895. It's talking up at the top. It's got these great big hedges here. And I just want to go around this side. Whoa, well, it's nothing but hedges. Okay. So I won't be able to see much more than this. Here, I'll show it to you this way. Then we'll walk. Yeah, you can see a little bit of it here. Through this side. Look at this tree here. Ain't that nice? Really like that. You can see some of it through here. And then here's the back of it that's open. Alright, big place. Very big place. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, check out this tree here. How nice is that? And then look at this house. Very nice house. Got a big porch on it there. Got a little stoop here on the side. Not a bad looking place, huh? And look at this, look at these trees. Hurricane blown, looks like to me. Pretty neat. See this nice house here, brick. It's got the pass through there. Got just a little stoop on it, so it's a shame we don't have a big porch on it, but yeah, it's got these two little palm trees here. Pretty nice, and then one next to it. Here's that one right there, and that's got a really nice archway up there, so I like that. Alright, now next we got this one here, next to that white one I just shot. And I talked to that fella out there, learned about, he paints about all these houses on this street. Pretty good looking house, right? Alright, so here's the house that's right next to the one I just shot there, and look at these orange steps. Alright, isn't that pretty cool? They did it kind of two different shades, so that's kind of neat. And then here's one right next beside it, 1516. Got a nice porch up at the top. You see it's got these great big steps, man. So that would be a lot of climbing. That's the downfall of this one I can see. But it's got more of those scales up there. And then got a little patio area here. So it's kind of neat. Alright, so now you can get a good look at this house here. And you can see a couple different shades of color on it. Not to mention the white, of course. And got the little white picket fence right there. That's a nice house, and the one right next door to it, see, it's got two porches here, and then several windows. So I like the porches, of course, top and bottom. Got that nice tree there. So it's a pretty good looking house. Alright, first thing I want you to do is read this sign. So you can see that line, the water got that high. And we're quite a few blocks from the Gulf, so I've come a little ways. And you see the steps there. Of course, this is sidewalk down here. So you can see, what, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got up to the 5th step there. Just about maybe a quarter of the way up that final step. Here's the place. So that would have been a little nerve-wracking, would it not? Let's take a look around here and look at it from this point of view. And again, show you the height of what that thing is. So, pretty crazy. Alright, so here's the next house. You can see again, it's yellow. So yellow's pretty popular color, which is good for me. See the fence, see the steps and stuff. Looks pretty good. Got this tree decorated up. And then this is the house right next to it. And you see it's got a 3/4 porch, I guess. Several steps that goes up to it. And then you can see the whole thing right there. There you go. Hopefully you'll like that one. Right, here's the next house, a couple down from where we just were. You can see it's got a porch up there and a porch on the bottom, but it's hard to see through this tree. I'll just take you around, show you. There, now you got a much better view of it. Got an iron gate there, pretty cool. Alright, big house. Alright, then here's the very next house right next door to it. See, got that nice porch up there. I like that. Then over here, it's got one top and bottom. So, various nice places to sit and rest yourself. Some nice features up there at the very top. And then here is the house right next to it. So you see, I just keep going from house to house to house. I love that collar. Look at this right here. Isn't that a crazy palm tree there? Okay, a lot of beautiful details on this house. Got a lot of the scaling there and on up there at the top. Got some big steps here. But yeah, that's a very beautiful house, isn't it? I like it. On this one, it's so big and I'm so close to it because of things behind me that just take you up this way and show it to you. Check that out. Thing is huge. 2 porches, of course. Very different color blue, that's for sure. But I did want to show you this, and this is the area that I'm in. That's what it's called. You see, Silk Stocking Historic District, listed 51096. So you see those steps there. They need a little bit of paint on them, but other than that, not a bad place. All right, here, instead of shutting this off, we'll just go this way. Show you this house while we're here. And wow, look at this. Big wraparound porch, top, bottom. Then there's this up here at the top. And you see how that comes around in a semicircle, and then it goes on there. And then it's got a little fountain in it. In the yard, you see this boy's got him a fish. Looks like, so. Nice and peaceful. Very, very nice. And you see it's got scales over here and all the way on up to those places there. All right, here's our next house. You see that beautiful porch up there at the top. Beautiful porch on the bottom. Got the nice fencing right here. Got a little fountain in the yard right there, but it's not on. Just wanted to show that to you. Not very many steps on this one, so that's good, easy to get to. All right, so as we keep moving, and there's this big giant one. Looks like it's in some disrepair, to be honest with you. But this house no doubt has a lot of history. And I'm sure at one time was an absolute showcase. But yeah, it's definitely worse for the wear. But that's a great big sunroom at the top all the way across. So that would be nice to sit in and have the view. Hopefully you enjoyed this one for what it is, and that is its history. Alright, so for this next house, I want to show you this sign here to show you that this place is for sale. And it's this one right here. So there you go. Just got a bottom porch on it. Looks like a pretty good sized house though. It is a very wide porch. Got a nice wrought iron gate here. And so you can see the stairs this way. And like I said, that porch, what it likes for in length, it definitely makes for in width. That'd be a very nice sitting porch right there. Got a nice wooden door too. I like that. Next door to it is this one. You can see, got a porch at the top and the bottom. A lot of stairs on it. Nice palm trees here. Haven't shown enough of those, have I? I don't think I have. And it too's got wrought iron on it. So, pretty nice. Alright, this one here, see, it's got a nice palm tree right there. Got an American flag out here. Got this nice porch, got steps on both sides. It goes up to it. And that's what the bottom of it looks like. See another staircase right there. And then, okay, wow. And there's that, but that's a separate house there. Okay. So this is it from back here. Got a Texas flag on this side. Alright, hope you enjoyed that one. Alright, so I want to show you this one here. We're getting close to the end of this particular tour. That's a very nice house. I like the columns on it and the nice two porches, of course. Alright, so here's another big house. You see the color of it. It's so big. I had to stand over here in the middle of the road. It was not in the road, but in the median. Here, I'll show you where I'm standing. This is where I'm standing. See, so this traffic comes this way, and this traffic, of course, goes that way. Alright, so one more look at the house. Hope you like it. Okay, I wanted to show you this house here from over here too, and you can see it's got the porch up at the top and goes around up there a little bit. Down here at the bottom, same thing. Good looking house. I like the color of it and everything. So it is a pretty house. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. This should finish this tour. So like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, blah blah blah. Anything else I'm forgetting. Alright, hope I see you on the next video. Take care of yourselves now.